Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dext Prepare to QuickBooks for expense imports. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Dext Prepare to QuickBooks for expense imports, start by logging into your Dext Prepare account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. In Settings, look for the Integrations section. Click on the QuickBooks Integration option. You will be prompted to choose your QuickBooks version. Select the appropriate version, either QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop. For QuickBooks Online, click on the Connect button. You will be directed to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Enter your QuickBooks credentials and authorize the connection. Once authenticated, you will return to Dext Prepare's integration settings. Review the connection details provided. For QuickBooks Desktop users, you will need to install the Dext Prepare integration tool. Download the tool from the Dext website. Once downloaded, open the tool and follow the installation instructions. After installation, launch the tool and log in with your Dext credentials. Next, connect your QuickBooks Desktop by entering the necessary details. Once the connection is established, you'll see a confirmation message. Return to Dext Prepare and ensure the integration is active. Now, navigate to the expense receipts you wish to import. Select the expenses you want to send to QuickBooks. Click on the Export button to send the selected expenses. You'll get a prompt to confirm the export. Confirm the export and monitor the progress. After completion, check your QuickBooks account for the imported expenses. Verify that all details are correctly imported. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section on Dext for troubleshooting. That's it. You've successfully connected Dext Prepare to QuickBooks for expense imports. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.